Get everybody walk through today's video. Today's video, I'm going to go over the symptoms that I had to diagnose a bad radiator cap on my 2014 Wrangler JK. First symptom was coolant being sprayed around where the radiator cap was. I could smell coolant. Coolant was dripping, and it was being kind of annoying. So basically what would happen is that once it pressurized up, instead of blowing into the overflow tank, it would just blow out all around the rad cap. And eventually over time, this allowed the coolant to become low, and then it started to heat up when the engine started to work with going up hills. And then one day I finally just checked it and saw that the radiator fluid was extremely low. I added like 2 liters. So now let's pop open the cap. I got a new one. Let's compare them. This is the new radiator cap right here I just picked up. You guys can't smell that obviously, but it just reeks of coolant. Once I get this open, I'm gonna show you. Hopefully I can get this in on the video. You can see down in there the coolant has sprayed, and there's no pressure on this cap. It's like no effort to get this cap off. There we go. Before we do anything, let's top up the radiator. Got it filled up. This is the new cap. New rad caps put on. I just gotta take it for a drive and then verify. If it leaks, all I gotta do is get up the temperature, see if she spits out. The purpose of the quick drive is to get the radiator up to temperature and get some pressure and see if it's gonna blow out. I washed it with water afterwards to make sure I don't confuse myself with old and new, and everything's looking nice and dry up around the radiator. It's nice and dry, and I know the cap's holding pressure. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you in the next one.